So let us start. So हमें अब हम देख रहे थे, हमें दिखाना, हमने ये देख लिया, इमेज ऑफ डी हमने देख लिया। इमेज ऑफ डी इज ए सबसेट ऑफ कर्नल ऑफ यू डैश बार। अब हमें हमें दिखाना है, सो मैं इसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ। टू शो दैट kernel of u dash bar is a subset of image of D। ठीक है, so let y dash plus image f dash so y dash plus image f dash belongs to, ये म्यूट कर दो भाई, kernel u dash bar। okay, so this means by definition u dash bar of this y dash plus image f dash equals 0 of co-kernel of f, which is actually image of f. So this means you have u dash y dash plus image of f, by definition of this mapping u dash bar is image of f, or you can say that u dash y dash belongs to image of f. So this means u dash y dash is your f of x, where x is in M. X is in M. Okay. Now put v of x equals to x double dash. We are using the surjectivity of v, and then f double dash of v of x, f double dash of v of x by commutativity of the diagram, it is v dash of f of x. Okay, v dash of f of x. Now f of x has value this one, u dash y dash. So it is v dash of u dash of y dash, which you can write as u dash composition v dash of y dash of, but this is 0 because u dash image of because the sequence is exact, so this is 0 because image of u dash is same as kernel of v dash by the exactness of the bottom row. Okay, ठीक, so आपके पास क्या आ गया? So this means f double dash of v of x, which is 0. So this means f double dash of x double dash is 0. Okay, so इसका मतलब your x double dash जो मैंने vx माना था वो v की प्री इमेज मैंने m डबल डैश में मानी थी, वो अब कर्नल ऑफ f डबल डैश में चली गई, बिलोंग्स टू कर्नल ऑफ f डबल डैश। और कर्नल ऑफ f डबल डैश ही बेसिकली है डोमेन ऑफ द मैपिंग D. So I can just write that domain of D and D of x double dash equals y dash plus image of f dash by definition. So this means what? This means this element y dash plus image of f dash belongs to image of D. So this means kernel of u dash bar is a subset of image of D. This establishes exactness at the required point. Now finally exactness at co-kernel of f. Okay, exactness at co-kernel of f. So what you have to show? You have to actually show that image of u dash bar is same as kernel of v dash bar. Now if I compose these two maps, so if I take u dash bar composition, sorry, v dash bar composition u dash bar and apply on any element y dash plus image of f dash, what I get u dash, sorry, v dash bar of u dash bar of this y dash plus image of f dash. Now by definition of this mapping u dash bar, it is v dash bar of u dash y dash plus image of f, u dash y dash plus image of f. Okay, now apply the mapping now v dash bar on this, so you will get it as u dash, sorry, v dash of u dash y dash plus image of f double dash. This is actually by definition of u dash bar and this is by definition of v dash bar. Now this is 0, so this is equal to image of f double dash because v dash composition u dash is the 0 map, which is actually what, which is 0 of co-kernel f double dash. So u dash composition v dash is 0, so u dash composition, sorry, u dash bar, so this means sorry, this v dash bar composition u dash bar is 0. So this implies you can say that image of u dash bar is a subset of kernel of v dash bar. So one way around you have the inclusion. Now conversely let y plus image of f any element in the domain such that it is in kernel of v dash bar. Then this implies v dash bar of this element y plus image of f is the 0 of the co-kernel of f dash, which is 0 of co-kernel of f double dash, which is actually image of f double dash. So this means you can say that v dash of y plus image of f double dash equals image of f double dash by definition of this mapping v dash bar. So this means this v dash, this means this v dash y belongs to image of f double dash. So you can say that this v dash y equals, say, f double dash x double dash, where x double dash belongs to m double dash. Now choose x because it has to have pre-image by surjectivity of v. So choose x belonging to m such that x double dash equals v of x. Now if I take v dash of y, this is a little bit construction here. So if I take v dash of y minus f of x, by definition, now apply this. So v dash of y minus v dash of f of x. Now this is equal to v dash of y minus. Now apply the commutativity of the diagram. You will get f double dash of v of x. So this is v dash of y minus what? f double dash of x double dash. लेकिन v dash of y की भी यही वैल्यू है. So this is actually f double dash x double dash minus f double dash x double dash. ये तो 0 के बराबर है. This is equal to 0. So what I get that this element y minus f of x, it is in kernel of v dash. Kernel of v dash. Now kernel of v dash is same as image of u dash. So this means this element y minus f of x equals u dash of some y dash, where you have y dash belonging to n dash. ठीक है. तो अब now if I take y plus image of f, I can write it as y minus f of x plus y minus f of x plus image of f, है ना. क्योंकि f of x plus image of f, तो this is because f of x belongs to image of f. तो आप ये दोनों कोसेट्स बेसिकली सेम है. The coset of y and the coset of y minus f of x in image of f, they are same. Okay. लेकिन y minus f of x की वैल्यू क्या है? u dash y dash. So this is equal to u dash y dash plus image of f. And u dash y dash plus image of f by definition of u dash bar is actually u dash bar of y dash plus image of f dash by definition of u dash bar. Okay. तो y plus image of f तो आपने कहाँ लिया था? You have taken y plus image of f in kernel of v dash bar, and you have shown it that it is in image of u dash bar. It belongs to image of u dash bar. So this means you have shown that kernel of v dash bar is a subset of image of u dash bar. Okay, showing that the sequence is exact at co-kernel f. Now last point, exactness at co-kernel f dash. It is straightforward. Exactness at co-kernel f double dash. Exactness at co-kernel f double dash. तो यहाँ पे तो ये सब्जेक्टिव आपके पास आ ही जाएगा. Follows by the fact that by the fact that आपका v dash bar सब्जेक्टिव है. v dash bar is subjective. क्यों सब्जेक्टिव है? Because it is the composition of two surjective maps being the composition of, ये एक नेचुरल मैप के साथ v dash का कंपोजिशन है. Because subjective being the composition of v dash with the natural map, with the natural map. तो v dash भी सब्जेक्टिव है बाय एग्जैक्टनेस, तो नेचुरल मैप तो होता ही सब्जेक्टिव है, तो v dash bar भी सब्जेक्टिव होगा. So we are done. So we have shown that the sequence, claimed sequence is exact. So we have actually proven this lemma. So if you have questions, ask the questions. इसको आप देखें एक बार, आपको जब if you basically all you have to just chase the diagram. यहाँ पे जो भी हो रहा है, the trick is chasing the diagram using the exactness of the given sequences and the commutativity of these squares and chasing the diagrams. You will get it. It is ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Still you have
सर
question.
प्लीज आप प्लीज आप इनकी वीडियोस अपलोड करेंगे सर?
हाँ मैं कर दूंगा.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
So you take the attendance.
ओके सर.
हो गया.
यस सर.